there, my friend.
But what are you doing there?
I want to check if I can ease myself there.
Ease yourself.
Oh, you think you can just come to my fence, then offload anything you want to offload?
It's your small I want to post.
Can you read?
Yeah, I can read that.
You can read? Read what we have on this place.
Do not urinate. I'm sorry, but we are all men.
Oh, you know.
It's just small.
No, I don't tolerate that. I'm a civilized man. I don't tolerate this. You want to do so. Okay? Now, there's somewhere you can urinate. It's free of charge. Just take this road. By the time you get to that lane, you will see two roads. One going to the right, one going to the left. Now take the one going to the left. Take the one going to the left. When you get to the junction, no, come back up. I'm not done. When you get to that junction, you will see a tricycle.
Okay.
And a motorcycle. Okay. Don't enter the motorcycle. Don't enter the motorcycle. I'm not done. Enter the tricycle. When you enter the tricycle, about 150 or 200 or so. Hey! Listen. Yeah. That place I'm talking about now.
Okay.
That one is too long. It's too far. Follow me. See that junction you're looking at?
Okay, that junction.
Exactly. Now, when you get to that junction, you will see two roads. One going to the right, one going to the left. Now, take the one going to the left. Board a tricycle there.
What the hell was that for?
Escopetenia. As big as you are, you could not hold your urine. You are a big fool. A big one.
Finish him. You are the bigger fool. How will you be describing here, describing follow there? Can you save up to? You are the biggest fool.